Sunday morning, taking the coffee under 2 minutes challenge. Can it be done? Let's have a look. Okay, so I thought I'll share it with you, see exactly how Sunday morning look like in here. You can argue it's a Sunday afternoon, but that's a different story. Portafilter to the grinder, single shot, straight to the leveler, from the leveler to the tamper. Beautiful. Okay, from here straight to the group head and our lovely mugs, nice and warm already, so there's no need to warm them up. Here we go. 3, 4, fantastic coffee coming out. I already rinsed it before, ran it a few times. Emptying the water here to allow the steam to come in. Fantastic. Here's the milk. Off we go. A little nicer, isn't it? Starting to feel the coffee is getting warmer. And done. 38 seconds, not as good as 35, but a little more coffee. Try not to be a stickler for the details. Wiping the rod, releasing the steam. Alright, here's our coffee. Look at it. Now the milk. Little swirl, few more knocks, and can it be done? My latte, my cappuccino art. Well, you can't say it's not getting better. What are we having? 2 minutes, 3 seconds, guys. I think we made it. All we need to do now is to bring the saucer. Yes. And the funny. Actually, it looks like a Christmas tree with a star on top. I think it's been. Can we call it 2 minutes with extra talk? Yeah, of course, 2 minutes. Guys, have a good Sunday. Take care.